Hello, my friends. Welcome. I'm working on a track from Suno, and this track has got two parts. It's called Jamming, and I quite liked what I heard in two of the different tracks, and I'm putting them together using the DAW, right? But I wanted you to pay attention to what exactly is happening as I mix this track. So right here, I have the main parts of the song. So I have one take that I liked and a second take, and I'm putting them together. First take. And the second take, this is where I'm joining them. So it ends like this. So you barely hear any static in the second one, but the first one, there's a break in the song, and I want you to listen to the artifacty, staticky sound. Listen. Right here. Do you hear that? Now let me just get that spot, because I really want you to pay close attention to this really, really awful artifacty sound that you get sometimes in Suno. You hear that? and honestly, that is unacceptable. I just couldn't take it. Just listen to that. Horrible. So what I decided to do was get the stems to find the culprit. And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through. So coming down here, I looked at all the tracks. So this is the bass track. The bass track was relatively okay. It's okay. Drums. And let's get to the break. See that? It's radio silence. So it's not the bass and it's not the drums. And I started unraveling the rest. It's not even... It's not the backing vocals. Let's try the lead vocals. It's not that. And then here we come to brass. Jamming. Wasn't the brass. Brass is... Jamming. So there's brass over here in the upper measures. We're moving on, we're moving on. When Mike's ahead, ain't going to quit. Jamming, jamming, jamming on the keys, we're jamming. Yeah. Jamming, jamming, jamming. It's not those. So at the end of the day, I get to this track called Other. And when I get to that break, jamming on the so let's play just that one and listen to Other right from the beginning. Listen to that. Isn't that crazy? This is the culprit. Here's keyboards. It's not too bad. I mean, it's not exactly quiet, but it was okay at that spot. So this is your culprit. This. And what do you have here? What do you have here? Just static. You hear that? Isn't that crazy? Ridiculous, right? So when I muted it finally, I then realized what my problem was. My problem was one tiny little track in a multitude of tracks. And it's hard for you to tell. That's what it was. So what I'm doing now, I have played a different piano part up here. So I'm going to play my piano part. This is my piano part. This is the Piano Tech VST, really nice VST. Now I'm going to have to align it with the initial one, because what I realized is after getting the stems, I realized it didn't lock in exactly with the composite version. But I'm going to tidy that up and I'm going to be on my merry way. You see, sometimes you just have to go the extra mile with some of these tracks, you know, because if you just download them as is and you feel you got something good, when you're mastering it, I actually realized this in mastering, and I've performed this song a few times on different channels, but I didn't realize how bad the noise was until I got down to mastering it. And it was when I had passed it through Isotope and Lander, the noise levels, they were just unbearable. So my friends, pay close attention to what you're finally pushing out, and you know, you're bound to find a place of improvement in a lot of these tracks, because while Suno is great, that staticky, artifacty, and then slithering, noisy thing that you hear, it's, especially when you got headphones on, it could be quite painful. All right, my friends, so I hope that made sense. The solution, take all those tracks, put them in a DAW. It's worth it. If you love the track, do it. It's worth it. And at the end of the day, you know, you've got something that's solid. All right, let me know your experience with these artifacty sounds and any noises that you hear. Let me know how you deal with it, and any lessons learned that you might have. See you next time.